Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today's question we have I got into breaking mainly for the power moves. I jumped straight in learning windmills, swipes, air flare, hit spins, air flares, etc, etc, and this is all I care about. Is it right? Nobody can tell you what's right or wrong in this dance for you, but all can tell you in a technical and foundational aspect is technically you need to see if you're flexible enough, if you have enough strength to execute the moves. For example, to do your 90s or do the air flares, you need to have decent handstands. Do you have it? Or are you going to jump right into learning that move? You will kill yourself like that. Foundationally, I would disagree with it. Like, this dance has a history that we all need to respect. Even if you do not like to do footwork, it's fine. You need to at least know how footwork came about, be able to do it. Being able to do it and doing it is a different thing. I'm pretty passive about footwork. To me, it's like, okay, but I know how to do a decent 6-step. Okay, and I can teach people and at least guide them on the right path on how to improve their footwork. That doesn't mean that I like doing footwork. Okay, so for all you people out there, all these new joiners, don't just jump into the dance thinking like, I want all the flashy moves. Appreciate the dance. Get into the foundation and understand how this dance came about. Like, even the most basic sweep. Check out Paul One's interview, the sweep. So it tells you how the sweep came about and how it actually gives you power into other moves. Very interesting. It also tells you how footwork is important for you. Okay? Peace.